card is chosen from a pack of 52 playing cards without replacement. A second is always a second card. A second card is chosen. What is the probability that they are both clubs? And how many clubs do we have in a pack of cards? There are 13 clubs. That is in a pack of cards, 13 of them are clubs. The number of clubs is equal to 13. Now the question says without replacement. So the probability that the first card chosen is a club will be 13 over the total number of cards, which is 52. That is for the first draw. Since if we draw the first card and it happened to be a club, now we are now replacing that card drawn. So the number of club now will reduce to 12 club. So for the second draw, the probability will be my second draw 12 over 51. Over 51 because you do not replace the first card drawn. So in that case, reducing this to the smallest, lowest fraction, 13 in 13 is 1. 13 in 52 is 4. So 1 over 4 here. But here we cannot reduce this. Nothing divide 12 and 51. So we'll leave it as 12 over 51. Now the question is, what is the probability that they are both clubs? See the marker I was talking about, both. That is to show that these two events are independent events. So in that case, the probability that they are both club is equal to 1 over 4 times 12 over 51. 1 times 12 is 12, and 4 times 51 is 204. Let's see if anything divides 12 and 204. Or better still, we can even reduce the fraction like this. Look at it, 4 here 1, 4 here 3. The answer is 3 over 51. Let me adjust that, 3 over 51.